In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove, unpublish, hide, or delete a page on your WordPress website, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're clearing out outdated content, hiding pages temporarily, or completely deleting a page, this process is straightforward and accessible for WordPress users of any level. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do that next. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right of the page, and give that a click. If you're like most people today, you might prefer to use a streamlined login method, so go ahead and click Continue with Google if that's convenient for you. This option will seamlessly integrate with your Google account, which not only saves you time but also enhances security with less risk of mishandling passwords. You'll now need to choose your Google account if you have more than one. Select the one linked to your WordPress website, and this will take you directly into your WordPress dashboard. It's here in the dashboard where the magic happens. You'll want to direct your attention to the menu on the left hand side and find where it says Pages. Clicking on this will show you a list of all your existing pages. Within this Pages section, you'll see another option that says All Pages. Go ahead and click on that to display a complete list of every page currently on your site. Sometimes coming to this view is honestly a bit of a revelation. It really lays out all your content in a neat and tidy list. You might be surprised by how many pages are there, which ones need updates, or which can be removed entirely. Now let's make a decision about what you want to do with a page. Each page listing will have a little checkbox next to it. You'll need to check the box next to the page you wish to alter. This sets up the page for whatever action you decide to take next. Move to the top of the page, where you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Bulk Actions. Your choices here might include actions like edit, move to trash, or unpublish. Choose the action that best suits your goal. If you're not entirely ready to delete a page but need it off your site for a while, consider selecting Quick Edit to change the page status from published to unpublished. This pause feature is incredibly useful for temporary removals without losing your work. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your WordPress content, ensuring that your site remains current and beautifully reflects your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel confident tackling page management on your WordPress site. Remember, practice makes perfect.